Percy Spencer is credited with the discovery of the microwave oven. Spencer was an engineer working for the Raytheon Corporation, and he discovered the potential for microwaves to cook food when he noticed that microwaves from a radar magnetron had melted a chocolate bar in his pocket. He began experimenting with using microwaves to cook meals, and in 1947, Raytheon filed a patent for a microwave cooking oven. The first microwave oven, the ZEBRONICS, was released for commercial use in 1954. Microwave ovens have a relatively short history compared to other kitchen appliances. They were first developed in the 1940s, but they didn't become common household appliances until the 1970s, when smaller, more efficient microwave ovens were developed. Today, microwave ovens are a staple in most kitchens around the world, and they have revolutionized the way we cook and heat food. Please channel like, comment, share, subscribe.